Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accuracy. 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 Accuracy is a noun that refers to the quality or state of being precise, correct, or free from errors. It is often used to describe the degree of correctness, exactness, or reliability in various contexts. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Scientific instruments are calibrated to ensure the accuracy of measurements. Why accuracy is used in example number 1. In science, accuracy is crucial to ensure that measurements are precise and free from errors. Example number 2. The accuracy of GPS systems is essential for accurate location and navigation. Why accuracy is used in example number 2. In navigation, accuracy in GPS systems ensures precise location and guidance. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.